Aortic valve replacement, also known as transcatheter aortic valve replacement, or TAVR, is a minimally invasive procedure used to treat a narrowed aortic valve in the heart. This condition, called aortic stenosis, usually develops due to calcium buildup and age-related wear and tear, especially in people over the age of 70. Over time, the valve becomes stiff, restricting blood flow from the heart to the rest of the body. Traditionally, treating this condition required open heart surgery, where the chest is open to replace the damaged valve, but TAVR offers a less invasive alternative. In this procedure, a new artificial valve is placed inside the narrowed valve without removing the old one. The procedure is typically performed under moderate sedation or general anesthesia. A small incision is made, most commonly in the groin, though access may also be through the neck or between the ribs. A thin, flexible tube called a catheter, carrying a compressed replacement valve, is inserted through the artery and carefully guided to the heart using imaging techniques. Once the catheter reaches the aortic valve, a small balloon is inflated, expanding the new valve into place. The new valve immediately begins to regulate blood flow, restoring normal heart function. Finally, the catheter is removed and the incision is closed. TAVR allows for faster recovery and avoids the need for traditional open heart surgery.